Hi guys, welcome back again to part 2 for Maria's entry number 21. There has to be a part 2, might be a part 3 because we just killed part 1 with just these little crate that she shared with me and this beautiful box. So now I'm gonna open this one right here. And I'm gonna do my best to kind of go quicker because I don't want to kill, momentum. Oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. I'm so sorry guys. I will try to make it quicker. I get lost at looking at the things, you guys worked so hard creating all of it, and Maria, it's like she was planning my birthday for days. This is gorgeous, girly. I do appreciate your work. It's so much work and detail. And yeah, I just want to try and appreciate everything. All right, so let's get into this little one right here. What in the world, Maria? Maria is trying to kill me, literally. She is really trying to kill me. Oh my gosh. Another beautiful box. Oh my, I don't know I don't know how to get into this, but look at her tassel and her beautiful purple bow. Look at this polka dots. It says sunshine and happiness and beautiful, and there's those little wreath sprays that she shared with me in this little kit right here, right down here. And this gorgeous little circle. She's still using the Paige Evans. I believe it's Bloom Street. So let's see how we get into this Mama Jamma right here. I think we have to slide this one off. Let me see. Maria, this is so beautiful, my love. This is crazy. I don't deserve all of this. Oh my God. Oh my God. Are you kidding me? Oh my God, Maria. Look at this gorgeous bows, guys. With the gorgeous, oh my God, diamond dusts, and she used her little foam flowers. This is so beautiful. Look at all this. What? How am I supposed to use these, Maria? How? I'm supposed to frame them, actually. That's how. Look at that. You guys, are you seeing this beauty? Oh my gosh, this box is so gorgeous. Oh my. She gave me 2 of each colors, and oh my goodness, this is just so beautiful, Maria. You have outdone yourself, lady. This is so gorgeous. I can't wrap my head around all this beautifulness. Jeez Louise. It's so gorgeous. I don't even think I could put this back the way she had it. It was so perfect. That's another thing. I don't like taking it out because it won't go back in the same way. This is so beautiful. Oh my gosh, you guys. You really have to check out Maria. I'm going to leave it open. Check out Maria's page, guys. And her Instagram. Oh my gosh. I'm just going in. I'm going in. Let me get this one. Because this is beautiful. Not only she used my favorite color of all, but her work is impeccable. Oh my goodness. So what is this one now, girly? What could you possibly be giving to me that has not? Oh my gosh. This is so much. Oh, I'm overwhelmed. Oh, I'm like, I don't know anymore. You guys have been so kind to me, blessing me all with your presence and being a part of my YouTube family. Oh my God. Maria! What? Oh my God. She gifted me a gorgeous, altered notebook. Look at this tassel. You guys see this beautiful, oh my God. This is where I learn, guys. This is where I learn. I learn from the best, from all of you. When you think you don't have it, you do. You have it. It's just in you and it's waiting to come out. Look at all this. Maria, you are a breath of inspiration. Best day ever. Gorgeous papers from Paige Evans. I hope this is Paige Evans. After all of this, I hope this is Paige Evans. But this is beautiful. What? She altered the note. What is this, girl? Don't tell me you put goodies in this book too. Maria. Oh my goodness. All these paper clips. What a genius. With the eyelash trims and the holographic ribbon. This is just so much. Oh my God. Look at all this. So much beautiful paper clips. Oh my goodness. What beautiful ideas she has. Girl. You need to do lives. So she already has some on the book right here, and she gifted me more. This is so amazing. Okay, I'm not putting it back in the envelope. I'm leaving it out so you can enjoy it with me like that. But there's one paper clip here, and she has, how did you do that? She put paper in the notebook. How did you get it in the spiral? And she stitched it. How did you do this? Oh my gosh, Maria, you gave me a journal? I've never had a journal before like this. There's a pocket here, guys. She stitched the page right here. You can see it underneath. Oh my gosh, let me bring this up to you. You see this pocket? She made this pocket. And she stitched it with some silver thread. And there's the gorgeous paper clips in here. More paper clips. Look at this. Look at these flags. That is so beautiful, Maria. Oh my gosh. You guys need to go check her out. Oh my gosh. This is going to be a part 3 pretty soon. It's already at 8 minutes. And we have some die cuts in here. It looked like seed pockets. So pretty with the bows, the ribbons. How did you do this? Look at this. Every page has been touched by her. Look at that. This, and then she got some ruffles on here. I've never owned one. This is so beautiful. Oh my God, how did you do all this, Maria? And she got some other lined paper in here. Do you have a cinch? This is gorgeous. Look at this little caterpillar right there. Look at that caterpillar, guys. Oh my God. The raindrops. Oh my God. The umbrellas. And there's another paper clip, guys, right here. Isn't that beautiful? And this is also a pocket. She has to have a cinch and silver threading. This journal, oh my gosh. Every page is touched by her hand. Oh my gosh, look at that. Look at this. This is an insert pocket right here. This is so beautiful. Oh my God, Maria. Oh, I've been so blessed. You guys have blessed me tremendously. Maria, this is so much. I haven't even got to her memory decks card, guys. I think we will be hitting on part 3. Look at all these pages. I can't just fly through this. And then this paper, ledger paper. Oh, she made a pocket. Look at these pockets. And there's some little washi stickers on the bottom. Oh my gosh. And she stitched this page right here. It's extra thick, like a divider. More beautiful trims and more paper clips. And there's her happy, oh, wonderful sunshine. What matters most? Oh, belly bands. A double belly band. Oh my gosh. This is unbelievable. And her stitching. She's got stitching on the bottom and then on the side. Silver thread. Look at the butterfly. I hope you guys are seeing all of this. Every single page has been touched by her hand. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I admire these people that make these things. I have no idea. And then there's a pocket with some goodies in it. Oh my goodness. Maria, this is so much, babe. This is, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, look at this. Look at this. It says love, L-O-V-E. Oh my goodness. And it's got all the purples in there. This is so beautiful. I cannot wait to get some, put some pictures in here. Oh, look at that. Oh my gosh. You guys, please, please, please go check her out. Scrapbook Nut, Maria Snook on Instagram. I haven't even looked at her memory decks yet, guys. Look at these tuck spots right here. Oh my gosh. And she has the trim on the bottom. I'm in love with these shades of purples and blues. So beautiful. And then she has an envelope, but she also has a pocket with all these gorgeous ephemeras right here. And it says hello. And this is a little manila envelope. Let me just make sure she didn't sneaky anything in here. Yep, she didn't put anything. Good. Thank you, Maria. Good girl. But look at all this fun paper clips and the colors. Oh my God, Maria, this is gorgeous. This is so gorgeous. Oh my God. Oh, there is a part 3, guys. I promise you, come back for part 3. We will get to her memory decks. I'll be right back.